In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very quick and straightforward review about this Palmpay website called Siter. Siter is about speed. It can make a website fast. How fast? Very fast. It's just AI to create design. It's good for simple website or portfolios. Want to get online quickly? Siter is a good choice. And here's the takes. Siter is a straightforward and lost cost. It's lost point for minor features. You can rely on this when you are making a cool looking website. And here's the top benefit, which is the key benefit about this platform, which is Siter. It is very easy to use website tools. It allows for simple landing page creation, essential AI content generation with low cost, and a quick page orientation. And talking about the pricing list, they have 4 pricing lists: the free version, the solo, the plus, and the pro. So talking about the free, it is absolutely free with limitation. While the solo comes with $7 per month, then the plus with a $12 per month, then the pro plan, which is $24 to $30 per month. And talking about the pros about this platform, it is very low cost. Yes, it is affordable, and also it is extremely simple, quick page creation with easy to understand. And the downside states that it's a minimal features, basic AI output, not for complex site. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Palmpay website. Thank you.